Good morning. First of all, thank you for watching this video. Myself, Shekhar Chandra. I am an assistant professor by profession and working in GCRC Foundation, Jaipur. And today, I am here to provide you some exciting information about Python libraries used in machine learning, which is going to be very beneficial for you in future. Today, Python is one of the most popular programming language, and it has replaced many languages in the industries. There are various reasons for its popularity, and one of them is that Python has a large collection of libraries. With Python, the data scientists need not spend all the day debugging. They just need to invest time in determining which Python library works best for their ongoing projects. So what is Python library? It is a collection of methods and functions that enables you to carry out a lot of actions without the need for writing your code. Pandas is a Python library that provides high-level data structure and a vast variety of tools for analysis. The great feature of this package is the ability to translate rather complex operations with data into one or two commands. Pandas contain many built-in methods for grouping, filtering, and combining data, as well as the time series functionality. All of these is followed by impressive speed indicators. NumPy is one of the principal packages. It is intended for processing large multi-dimensional array and matrices, and an extensive collection of high-level mathematical functions and implemented methods make it possible to perform various operations with these objects. Plotlib. Matplotlib is a low-level library for creating two-dimensional diagrams and graphs. With its help, you can build diverse chart from histograms and scatterplot to non-Gaussian coordinate graphs. Moreover, many popular plotting libraries are designed to work in conjunction with Matplotlib. Scikit. Scikit, this Python module based on NumPy and SciPy, is one of the best libraries for working with data. It provides algorithms for many standard machine learning and data mining tasks, such as clustering, regression, classification, dimensional reduction, and model selection. NLTK is a set of libraries, a whole platform for natural language processing. With the help of NLTK, you can process and analyze text in varieties of ways, tokenize and tag it, extract information, etc. NLTK is also used for prototyping and building research systems.